In this video, I will answer a question from a recent webinar called Random Intercept and Random Slope Models. We're answering questions here because we had over 500 people live on the webinar, so we didn't have time to get through all the questions. If you missed the webinar live, this and the other questions in this video series may make more sense if you watch the webinar recording first. It's part of our free webinar series, the Craft of Statistical Analysis, and you can sign up to get the free recording, handout, and even the data that we ran in the example at this link listed below. And Hoorie asks, isn't this a random intercept and slope model? And the answer is yes, actually. So I keep referring to this model as a random slope model because it does include a random slope term in addition to the random intercept term. However, I'm calling it just the random slope model. And the reason I'm doing that is because really it's pretty rare to have a model where it's appropriate to have a random slope without a random intercept. When you do that, you're essentially setting the random intercept to 0, which means every single county has to have the exact same height of their trajectory right when time equals 0. And that's pretty rare. It does happen. I have seen it, but very, very rarely. So most of the time, we just call it a random slope model.